In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and turn on dark mode or light mode in Figma using the config 2025 settings. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a darker or lighter workspace while designing, this guide will be perfect for you. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you can customize your Figma experience to your preference. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Figma website. If you're not already familiar, Figma is an incredibly popular collaborative interface design tool. You'll want to head over to their official website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one, but for today's video, we assume you already have an account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where all your recent files and shared designs are located. It's your main hub where you can easily access all your design projects. From here, what you want to do next is to click on your profile. Your profile is typically represented by an icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once in your profile, you'll see several options. Look for the one labelled Theme. Clicking on this option will take you to where you can switch between different modes. Now, Figma has a great feature that allows you to switch between a dark theme and a light theme, giving you control over how your workspace looks. Currently, many designers love using dark mode as it can be easier on the eyes, especially during those late night design sessions. After clicking on theme, you'll see options for both dark mode and light mode. To turn on the dark mode, simply click on the option that says dark. Instantly, your Figma interface will transform into a sleek, dark themed workspace, which many find aesthetically pleasing and easier for extended use due to its reduced glare and more comfortable viewing. And there you go. You have successfully switched to dark mode in Figma using the config 2025 settings. If you ever want to revert to light mode, you can follow the same steps and click on light instead. This ability to toggle between themes can significantly enhance your user experience by providing flexibility according to your working environment and preference. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on altering the theme settings in Figma. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Figma tips and tutorials.